show you paper crafts and doodles to do when you're bored. For this one, you should draw some circles of different sizes. And draw some curves and lines as shown. Color only one half of it. And it's done! Crush a paper and unfold it so that it gives some wrinkly effects. Write a quote. And now, trace the wrinkles with any color of your choice. And it's ready! Take a paper and draw lines to form a template. Then fold it in zigzag order. You can draw or take printouts of any two images you like and cut them in strips as shown. Now stick the strips only on one side. Continue doing it until it ends up like this. And done! You will see one picture on one side, and when you see it from another angle, it magically changes. Let us know in the comments which one didn't keep you bored. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.